Hey there! What are today's messages? Let's pick a card first. Attract. Like the moon and the ocean, you attract good things into your life. And one more card today. Failure is the condiment that gives success its flavor. Let's pick an envelope today. How you love yourself is how you teach others to love you. Don't let your current circumstances make you think that you're not capable of creating a new reality for yourself. So true, but sometimes so hard. Pleasing everyone, that's impossible. Making everyone angry, piece of cake. Braving. B is for boundaries, R is for reliability, A is for accountability, V is fault, I is for integrity, N is for non-judgmental, and G is for generosity. Are you braving the wilderness? By Brene Brown. And the last one today. Be careful when following the masses. Sometimes the M is silent. All right, adios.